We bought the site in June of 2025 and decided it needed a total makeover. This location previously was doing about $3,000 a month, so a very low volume site. And so we had the opportunity to buy it. We did. We shut it down in October of 2026 and reopened in December of 2026.
The thing that made me consider ColorWash is I had been to a few of the shows and I had heard from some other people how they were using it and how much they enjoyed it. I wanted to do something different at this site that we hadn't really done before. Self-serves and bays aren't really known for the big light shows like the tunnels are. So the installation part was pretty easy. Our electricians actually noted that it was one of the easier projects they've ever done. It made it simple. They had it done in literally one day, both the edge lights and the tunnel lights. And like I said, he said it was about the easiest light install he's ever had to do before.
We had to have a sit down meeting with the mayor. And so he actually commented about how nice the lights were and how it kind of draws your attention to the site, how professional it was. We had a lot of social media content, just had the lights here, we had a lot of comments. And so it's been really welcomed by the community. As far as the impact to the business, 100%, it's been a positive impact for our business.
So one thing I didn't think about when we were doing these lights was how important it would be that there was a way for when the cars went into the bay that it would turn white so that the customers could see at night. Visibility is a very big thing in the car wash industry. You always want to make sure it's super safe, and being able to not have to manually do anything, the light's just switching when the car goes in there when they pay for it, is one of the best concepts that I've seen.
Why G&G? For a couple of reasons. Number one, the quality of their product is second to none. Our electricians loves installing it. It's easy to install. It's very professional. The help from the manufacturer has been unbelievable. When you call to get everything set up, they're right there. When you get everything shipped in, it's just very professional. And so we like dealing with G&G.